Digestive System. The digestive system is made up of 10 organs and over 20 different types of cells. This is one of the most complex and diverse systems in the human body. Its parts constantly work together to complete a single task, converting the raw materials into your food, into the nutrients and energy that keep you alive. The digestive system is made up of 4 major components that run the length of your torso. The gastrointestinal tract is a twisting channel that transports your food. The gastrointestinal tract or alimentary canal includes mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Second, there's pancreas, gallbladder, and liver, a trio of organs that digest food using a variety of special juices. The third component includes the body's enzymes, hormones, nerves, and blood. All of them collaborate to break down food, modulate the digestive process, and deliver its end products. Lastly, there's the mesentery, a large stretch of tissue in the abdomen that supports and positions all of your digestive organs, allowing them to function properly. Before food even touches your tongue, the digestive process begins. Anticipating the taste of the food, saliva glands in your mouth begin to produce saliva. Once inside your mouth, mastication or chewing combines with the slithering saliva to turn food into a moist lump known as the bolus. Saliva contains enzymes that break down any starch. The food then reaches the rim of a 10-inch long tube called the esophagus, which it must descend to reach the stomach. Nerves surrounding the esophageal tissue detect the presence of a bolus and initiate peristalsis, a series of defined muscular contractions. This propels the food into the stomach, where it is at the mercy of the muscular stomach walls, which bind the bolus and break it up into chunks. Hormones secreted by the cells in the lining cause the stomach wall to release acids and enzyme-rich juices, which begin to dissolve the food and break down its proteins. In addition, these hormones signal the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder to produce juices and transfer bile, a yellow-green liquid that digests fat in preparation for the next stage. After 3 hours inside the stomach, the once shapely bolus is now a fruity liquid called chyme, and it's all set to enter the small intestine. The stomach empties in 4 to 6 hours. The liver sends bile to the gallbladder, which secretes it into the duodenum, the first section of the small intestine. It dissolves the fats floating in the chyme slurry, allowing them to be easily digested by the pancreatic and intestinal juices that have leached into the seam. These enzyme-rich juices break down fat molecules into fatty acids and glycerol, making them easier to absorb in the body. Enzymes are also responsible for the final breakdown of proteins into amino acids and carbohydrates into glucose. These occur in the lower regions of the small intestine, the jejunum and ileum, which are covered in millions of tiny projections called villi. These have a large surface area, which maximize molecule absorption and transference into the bloodstream. The blood transports them on the final leg of their journey to feed the organs and tissues of the body. The large intestine, also known as the colon, consists of ascending, transverse, descending, and sigmoid colon. Receives leftover fiber, water, and dead cells sloughed off during digestion. The majority of the remaining fluid is drained from the body via the intestinal wall. What is left is a soft mass known as stool. This byproduct is squeezed into a pouch called the rectum by the colon, where nerves detect its expansion and alert the body when it's time to expel the waste. The byproducts of the digestion pass through the anus, and the food's long journey, which typically lasts between 30 and 40 hours, is completed.